Gigi's kitchen.
Oh, welcome to Gigi's Kitchen, y'all. Look at who I have. This is my grandson. He is number 3, aren't you? Tell him what your name is.
Weston.
Weston.
Yeah.
And how old are you, Weston?
4.
He's 4. He's such a big boy. I tell you
Yeah.
what, he is probably the shyest of all of our
Yes.
grandbabies.
He is our quiet one.
He's quiet. You don't even know he's here. He's so good. I'm telling you, he is such a good
Yes.
boy. He's precious. I know I say that about all of them, being so sweet, but they really are. Gigi can't help herself.
He really loves to cook with his Gigi.
He does. He does. So tell him what we're going to make today. Reese's bars. Tell
Is that
him.
your favorite?
He loves.
Yeah, he
Now,
loves Reese's.
Let me tell y'all something funny about this one right here. Tell him what your favorite food is. Tell him. Junk.
Anything
Tell 'em.
junk.
Tell him. Be honest. Tell him what it is.
Yeah, junk. Candy.
This little baby, I will tell you, no matter where you put the sweets, this one here's going to find it, ain't you? You going to find it. He's going to find it. He's going to get into it.
Yeah,
And
he's a silent assassin. That's what I call him.
And you're going to just find like little Debbie packets. You will find little paper. What?
I know what candy is.
I
See,
know
he
where
knows.
Candy's
I know where
at.
candy
I know
is.
you do, don't you? He knows where all Gigi's little spots are for all their little goodies. He'll come right on in. We'll be having big old Sunday supper. He goes right for the sweets, don't you, darling? It's good stuff, ain't it? But this one loves junk. Tell him what else you like to do. Tell him something you like to do. You like to swim, don't you? And what else? What do you like to ride? Bikes. And what
Yeah.
else? His dirt bike or 4-wheeler, honey,
Yeah.
he's wheeling and dealing. He does good, don't you? What else you like to do? He loves to play at the park. He loves to play outside. He's
He
an
does. He just come
outside
in from
boy.
picking tomatoes.
He did. He went.
He went out and picked
outside.
tomatoes.
He said, Gigi, you got some tomatoes, and he come back with a big old bowl. He does a good job. You help Gigi, don't you, darling?
And he's a big boy. He tried
He is.
some pie that he would, and most of the youngins don't want to try new stuff, and he's willing to try stuff. So
He did it. I'm proud of him.
yes,
So we have got. He has crumbled up some graham crackers, didn't he?
yes, he did.
We've got about 2 cups of just crumbled graham crackers. I just got the little off-brand, y'all, little honey graham crackers, and we just crumbled ourselves. Now you can have a little shortcut and just buy the crumbs already done. But this one here did it, didn't you, darling?
Yes, he
Yes,
did.
you did. Now we are going to dump in a whole stick of butter. You want to dump this in for Gigi?
Yeah.
Dump it in real careful. Real careful. So 1 stick of butter. Let's get all this little goodness out of here. So 1 stick of butter.
He's a country boy too. He
He
loves his
is.
hats and he loves his boots
He does.
and his belts
He's, yep.
and his
little
chains.
chains.
He does. He's a
Go
country
ahead and
boy.
start stirring it. Now we're going to put in about 2 cups of powdered sugar. You know it's good. It's got some sugar in it, don't it, baby?
I do.
Yes, you're going to do it. Let's put some sugar. Like, Gigi's going to get it out of here for you, and then we can mix it all up. You can stop mixing. It's okay. If Gigi can get this in here. You ready? All right. Boop. Dump it in. How many is that? 1. He's in K4. He's learning and doing all his little things, his little numbers. He was telling me what his name started with. What does your name start with?
W.
A W for Weston. All right, there's 2. Got it? Dump. Give it a little tap, a little love tap. Boop, 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 boop. Good job. All right, we're going to put some more stuff in here. Hold on. We've got a 1/2 cup of...
I'm getting it
You are.
all around.
You are. We're going to
He
get in there
is.
good. Here, let's finish putting all the stuff in it first. We got a 1/2 cup of, or 1/4 cup, sorry, of brown sugar. Go ahead and dump it in. 1/4 cup. We get it out, won't we, baby? Now, what is this? What is this?
peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Do you like peanut butter?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you do, don't you? Here, Gigi's going to probably have to use this fork. I did spray the inside because that helps. Go ahead and see if it'll dump out. Go ahead and see. We sprayed it so it wouldn't stick. That's a little trick, but sometimes it works good. Well, that was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now, so 1 whole cup of creamy peanut butter. It's yours, ain't it, darling? You gonna give it a little stir.
He's making sure it's safe.
He is. Now we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Smell it. Smell it. Woo! Don't smell good here. I'm gonna put it on a spoon.
Okay.
You grab the spoon and put it in, okay?
Okay.
Ready? Good job. I tell you what, I have got so many good helpers, don't I?
She does.
Oh, my
She's
little-
very blessed.
All my little sugar babies. I am very blessed. I will
Yes.
have to say, I've had a few people say that. You are
Yeah.
blessed,
I'm
and
gonna
I
get
agree.
all of the peanut butter
Yeah.
getting out.
Okay. Gigi's gonna give it a little mix. Let's get it here. Let's get it mixed up. Gigi might have to work on this one because
It's a little
it's
hard.
really stiff. That's what we want though, because these are gonna be bars.
Start them right there.
There's some.
He's not gonna let you miss none. That's right.
He's on it. Good job. He gonna taste it. Give it a little taste.
Sample.
Is it good? Is that good, buddy? All right. Look at there. Gigi's getting it mixed all up. You might have to sample this, huh? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and get you some. It's his bars. He's already said.
Oh, he's saying this is going home.
He said,
Didn't
can I
you? What'd
take...
you say? These are going home, right?
Tell him. You want to take him home with you, don't you? Yeah.
Yep.
he was checking in to see if he was going to
Yeah,
get to
he
take
was
him
making
home.
sure they were going to go home with
I
him.
said, yes, honey. These are all your bars.
Papa's going to get his taste test in to make sure it's safe, and then the rest
That's
are going
right.
home to his house. That's
Gigi
right.
don't want to hit you in the head over there. Gigi's hitting your little hat. Now, I was wondering what size pan we was going to put these in, if this one would work, but I think the smaller one's going to work better, to be honest. I had to kind of look, see what I thought. Because we don't want no little wimpy bars, do we? We want some nice thick ones, don't we? We sure do. We want to be nice and thick and pretty.
I'm
So
going to get the duck off of that thing.
off of this, here, you stir. Gigi's gonna get another pan. All right, let's try putting it in this pan now. Now you can put some little parchment down so it'll come out fine if you want to. But we're just gonna go right in. This is a little non-stick pan. I think it'll be fine. Woo! Now we got to mash it all down. There you go. Let's get it all mashed in there.
Baby,
What, baby?
can I get the duck off of there?
Yes, you
He's
can.
wanting to clean. He's wanting to
this.
clean your spatula.
Listen, I done said it. All my grandbabies, I'm telling you, they are clean little things. They want their hands clean, and I'm glad they are that way. But they'll go outside and play and do, but honey, they gonna come in and clean up.
You ain't gonna have to wash that pot.
No, look at there. So we got all this. Just
How does that look, Bubba?
how's
Look
it
good?
look? Is it looking good? Is it looking like?
Is it looking like a
Peanut
peanut
butter?
butter bar? All right.
All right, now here's what we're gonna do. We got a clean bowl here. He said, "I'm gonna tell you what I'm about to do."
Yeah. Time to clean the
Clean
time
it
to clean
up.
the spatula.
Clean it up, honey. Clean it up. We are going to put these chocolate chips in here because guess what? It ain't a Reese's without some chocolate on it, is it? He's been checking these chocolate chips out too. I had some open. He's all about it, honey.
Is it good?
Is it good? All right then. All right. Let me quit struggling and just get a little knife. All right, we can pour these into there, okay? You think you can pause them in it? He said that's
clean enough.
I
Yeah.
don't put it.
We'll put it over here in the dirty stuff. All right, let's pour these chocolate chips in this bowl, okay? Get them all in that bowl because we got to melt them for just a minute. Good job. Good job. Now, y'all know how we melt chocolate around here, 30 seconds at the time in the microwave. Now, we are going to put about a teaspoon of peanut butter into this chocolate. I don't think he's licked this.
No.
And we're at the end of the barrel on this anyway. So,
Eating.
what, my boy? What is it,
You're
darling?
running now.
I'm running out. Yeah, we used it all, didn't we?
Yeah.
All right, let's put it in here. Here, we'll just do this. All right, let's give it a melt. Let's melt it. Let's melt it, and we're going to put it on top, okay? Melted chocolate. So 30 seconds at the time. We're going to do 30 seconds stir, 30 seconds stir. See where we're at. Yeah, stir it from the bottom. Stir it from the bottom. There you go.
Good job.
Round and round. See how it's mixing up and melting?
Yeah.
Make sure all of it on the bottom. Scooping on the bottom. Perfect. Good job. All right, Gigi's going to get some more here. Look at that. Oh, my
She
word.
about ready, boy.
Got that little peanut butter melted in there.
Ooh.
What you talking about, honey? We ready for this, ain't we, Sugar Bear? This is what you want, y'all. Look, silky, creamy. And guess where we gonna put it? Where we gonna put it? Right on top of this, ain't we? Yeah. All right, here we go.
You're going to pour it.
It's hot, so Gigi's gonna pour it, okay? Oh my. It is hot. It's burning Gigi's fingers, and Gigi's got tough.
She's got hands of stone.
Yes, I do. Let's start with that. We'll get the rest of that in a minute. All right. Got our little peanut butter knife. It's all right, though. Look. I want you. Look at there. Look at there. We'll just put it all the way to the edge there. Yummy.
Ooh, I believe that's gonna be some
I
good,
think
boys.
it's going to be good.
Ooh,
I think Weston made some good
I think
ones.
y'all done, well, no, I think Weston done made some good
Oh,
boys.
Weston
Boy.
done made something, didn't you, baby? You think you could do this again? I think you could, too.
Me too.
I know you can.
Yeah.
I'm going to get the rest of this chocolate out of here, I guess, because we don't want to waste it. You want to taste that?
Yeah.
Oh, I know you do. Gigi knows that you do. Here's some on the spoon, too. So that's the fun part of cooking. You get to lick the spoon.
Yeah.
You want that one? Ooh, that's a lot of chocolate there, ain't it? Here you go, Gigi. You'll take this one. We'll just put it here. We'll be washing it in a second. All right, we're going to get the rest of this good old chocolate out. We didn't want to waste. Gigi don't waste, do we? No, Gigi don't waste. They'll come in here and eat half of something. I said, we're going to put that up. You ain't a-wasting it. Well, guess what?
Yeah.
I need the knife. I'm going to do the spoons. He didn't lick this one. All right. All right, we're going to give this just a little love right here. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And then what we going to do? Come back and do what? We're going to taste it. Look at Papa right there. Look at Papa.
Give me a smile, boy.
Give him a smile. Smile. Attaboy. Attaboy. He's enjoying it, y'all.
He is.
And ain't nothing better. I tell you what, nothing better.
We love it.
All right, we can put it in the refrigerator, let it get cold, and then it's going to be tasting time.
My favorite time.
You ready for it, ain't you? All right, we'll be right back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. We are done. We let them chill, and we're excited to taste, aren't we, baby?
Yes,
He's
we are.
very excited. So go ahead and pick you one out.
That's got your name on it.
Oh.
All right, Papa's going to get this little bitty one over here.
All right. He's already said these are his. He's taking them home. So,
You ready?
ready? Cheers.
All right. Cheers.
What do you think? What you think? Oh, we got the thumbs up.
Hey, awesome, y'all. What?
Oh, my.
You did good.
Good job.
You gotta give me a high five on that one.
With the clean hand. Y'all, I don't know if I said it earlier. I told Russ, I said, I may have said it backwards. He is our fourth grandchild, but third grandson. So just in case I said it backwards before. His finger licking good, apparently, ain't it, darling?
It is.
Woo-hoo. Is it good? All right.
This is my little buddy right here, man.
He said he could do this again by himself.
He may be quiet, but he is absolutely a little card.
He is.
He's got personality to be a quiet one. He really does.
He does. It's so funny how they all have their own little
job.
personality.
Here, let me
It
get you
is
in that.
just,
There you go.
it's just the best watching them
job.
grow. Oh, he got chocolate all over.
He did.
It's all right though. He's getting it.
Finger looking good.
So easy, little Reese's bars. You really can't get much easier than that. It was easier to make them than to get the chocolate off, apparently.
It really is. He'll take care of that. Don't
He's
worry.
on them. He's eating it.
Yeah,
He's got it. You got it, don't you, darling?
he does.
Yes, he does.
He can take care of that.
He knows. So this was perfect for my little Reese loving baby.
And that is one of his favorites. We was at the rodeo a couple weeks ago, and I went and got him chocolate bars. And what'd you say you wanted? Reese's.
That's what he
Yep.
wanted.
Yep.
But I let them pick out what they wanted to do, and this is one that struck his fancy.
Yep. That's what he wanted. Yep.
So we did it, didn't we, baby? You did a good job.
He
I'm
did.
so proud
Fantastic.
of you.
His daddy said he wasn't going to talk. He was wrong.
He's quiet, but he has done a good job.
He sure
Y'all
did.
let him know
Absolutely.
how good a job he did. We'll be reading him his little comments.
Yeah.
And so this is the number 4 of the series.
Yep.
We still have 2 to go, y'all.
Yeah, we do.
2 more
Hope
to
y'all are
go.
enjoying this. Let us
Yes,
know in the comments.
Let us know what you think.
I know we are. They are a
We
blessing,
are.
and we're enjoy having them in here with us.
Yeah.
And
We making more than
making
bars.
memories. Yeah,
We're
making memories with them.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a blessing. Really is.
It is. So thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time.
Peace. What did you just say?
I'm gonna bring it in a bag.
You gonna bring what in a bag?
There.
Where you take them?
What do you mean? You gonna take all of them home? Okay.
Oh, okay. You
All right.
share.
You did such a good job.